Hey, what's up you guys? So is it really possible to make $3,000 per month by simply recommending language courses online?
What?
Absolutely guys, I'm gonna show you exactly step by step how you can do this in this video. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to earn up to $3,000 per month by recommending online courses that teach people other languages. And guys, you don't have to be an expert in Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese. We're simply helping people by promoting other courses that are already been built out. So essentially, we're gonna be partnering with somebody that has already created these courses on how to speak other languages. We're gonna partner with them as an affiliate, and we're gonna be recommending it to people that wanna learn other languages. And if somebody decides to buy that course that you recommended, you get paid and you get a commission for literally just recommending a course. This is called affiliate marketing. And guys, affiliate marketing is how I went from 0 to 6 figures in just 6 months. And I actually quit my job within 9 months of starting an affiliate marketing business. Now, why affiliate marketing? I love affiliate marketing because, again, you don't have to create these courses, these products. You don't have to do any of the fulfillment, unlike drop shipping or, doing eBay, Craigslist. You don't have to worry about having to create the product, but more importantly, having to deal with customer service. Because guys, trust me, I've had my own products and customer service takes so much time. So if you can literally just recommend a course and not have to fulfill on the actual product, that's the best business model on the planet. And that's why I teach affiliate marketing, because it's truly passive once you get your business up and running. Now guys, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you some amazing companies that you can partner with to start making money with this method. And also guys, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm gonna give you some amazing resources to help you make even more money with your online business. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to start a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Again guys, I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures within 6 months and quit my electrical engineering job within 9 months of starting this business. So if you want to learn exactly how you can quit your job and have complete financial freedom, guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm coming out with content almost every single day. Let's get into it. Now, step number 1, guys, is we have to find a product to partner with so we can start making money with that product. I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. And this happens to be a product on ClickBank, which is gonna be really cool because it's already ready to go. It's free to promote and you can start promoting as soon as today. Now, again, I was doing some research and over 21 million people are looking to learn Spanish, guys. 21 million people per year. That's insane. If you can get a cut of that, just literally 0.5% of that, you can make a ton of money with this method. And I'm gonna tell you right now, a lot of people are not promoting online language courses. They're more in the health niche or the make money online niche. So this is a great niche to start making money because not a lot of people are doing that. And I'm gonna show you some proof of that in today's video. So step number 1, guys, is we're gonna head over to clickbank.com. and I'm gonna show you which product this is, which course it is, and what is clickbank.com anyways. Let me show you. Now guys, this is clickbank.com, and if you've never heard of it, it's basically an affiliate network you can partner with, and they have literally hundreds and thousands of courses from every niche possible, okay? So go to clickbank.com. I want you to create a free account. Once you do that, it's gonna take you to this page right here, okay? Now with this page, you're gonna wanna go to the marketplace here at the top, all right? It's gonna give you all these categories here. I have a ton of videos on teaching ClickBank videos, but specifically, we're gonna go to a special course that I want you guys to promote, okay? So I want you to go to find products, and I want you to type in learn Spanish, okay? Because this is gonna be an amazing product you can start promoting and you can start making high ticket sales, okay? So I want you to go to the search bar and type in something like learn Spanish. Now there's a bunch of different products here. You can see pick up Spanish, learn Spanish, get girls. Another one, rocket Spanish, earn top dollar selling products. And it goes on and on, right? There's a ton of different products. Now, when I look for a product, I like to look for a high gravity, okay? So at the top here, we have a gravity of 1.56. and right here a gravity of 8.43. Now, typically I will always say a gravity 20, 30 or higher. Now, again, if you don't know what gravity is, it's basically how many affiliates are getting sales, okay? Now, this is okay because this is a super small niche that not a lot of people are promoting language courses. So I'm okay with the gravity of under 10 in this particular case. Not only that, it's still a high ticket commission. Usually with the lower gravity, you typically got a low commission, you know, $10, $20, $30. This one right here is $117 per sale. Okay, so I'm gonna show you exactly how we can make money with this product. I'm gonna go with this one right here. Now, some things to mention is if you go to the affiliate page here, there's gonna be a ton of resources they're gonna give you to start promoting this product. You know, once you enter your email address, they're gonna give you email swipes, all that good stuff. We'll get into that in just a second, but to get money for this product, you're gonna wanna hit promote, okay? When you hit promote, it's gonna give you an affiliate link. Now this one right here, you do have to get approval from the vendor itself, okay? And that's okay because that means that they want quality affiliates, okay? Now if you don't wanna go through that, you can find a product that lets you get links right away, okay? In this particular case, if we go to the top one here, you can see I can literally get my link instantly, okay? I recommend going with the higher ticket product, but for the case of this video, just so we can go through it, I'm gonna go with this top product here, just so we can get that link a lot quicker, but I do recommend going with the higher ticket product, higher gravity, that way you can make more money. So we have our product, right? Whether you're choosing Pickup Spanish or Rocket Spanish, how are we gonna actually promote this product? How are we gonna make money? How do we get customers to this ClickBank product? I'm gonna show you exactly how. Now, real quick, the wrong way to promote this course is by literally posting and spamming your links all over the internet, right? Posting on YouTube, Facebook, Google, blogs, guys, like literally getting these links and spamming them all over the internet is the wrong way to do affiliate marketing. And I have actually done this method before because when I first started, I didn't know what I was doing. I just wanted to make extra money, right? So it makes sense. I understand why people do that, but that's not the right way to build a business. I'm going to show you exactly how to get customers the right way and people that are actually interested in purchasing these products. Now, the right way to build an online business, it doesn't matter what niche you're in, is to build an email list. And if you've ever gone through my 3-day challenge or Freedom Breakthrough, that's the core fundamental of what I teach. Why an email list, guys? Because you own that list, right? So for example, I have email lists in all types of different niches, right? I have a health niche email list. I have a make money online email list. I have a cryptocurrency email list because I know these particular people are interested in certain products, right? So let's just say I wanted to promote this Spanish course. I would create another list with people that are interested in learning languages, right? And let me show you why this is so important, right? Here's the thing, right? I can still make money from these people because now I can promote other products that they may be interested in. For example, let's just say we're making money on this Spanish course, but we send them an offer on learning Chinese or learning Portuguese or learning a different language, right? I know they're interested in that type of product because they're on my list for a reason. So I'm gonna show you how to build a proper email list, guys. Instead of sending people directly to the link, which a lot of people do, you wanna be building a list. This is really, really important because you own that list and now you can remarket to those people. Now you understand why, instead of sending people directly to the link where you don't own that traffic, you're literally just sending them sales and you have no way to follow up with them, okay? So I'm gonna show you how. Now, the number one secret when building an email list is we have to exchange something of value for someone's email. This is called a lead magnet. We can give anything out from a free training, a free ebook, a free checklist, a free report. All we're doing is just giving out something for free so we can build our email list. Now I'm gonna show you some examples of how I would build an email list using this Spanish course. So if we go back into ClickBank and let's just say we wanna promote this Pickup Spanish course, okay? Now, I'm gonna give you a few different examples with this one here and also this Rocket Spanish. I actually like Rocket Spanish a lot more. I just mentioned Pickup Spanish just because you can get your link instantly, okay? Now, when I'm building an email list, I wanna know exactly what that course offers, okay? So if we go with this top one here, we can look at the sales page here, okay? So you can see here, this is more of a Pickup Spanish type course, okay? It's gonna be different from an actual language course, as you can see here. So what we can do is we can create a page saying something like, hey, top ways to pick up girls in Spanish, right? That can be our lead magnet, okay? And we could send them to this page, or a checklist on, best ways to pick up Spanish girls, right? This is gonna be kind of more of the relationship niche, okay? That's what I would do if we're promoting this program here. Now, again, I did mention Spanish courses, so I wanna go more towards this one here, which is Rocket Languages, okay? This is an amazing program to promote. By the way, they have a ton of different languages, but Spanish is just one of them you can promote, okay? Now, this is the sales page here, right? So I can go to this link here, and it's gonna take me to this sales page. So what I like to do is I like to figure out what are they actually selling, okay? So obviously, they're gonna teach you, others try to teach you Spanish, we immerse you in it, okay? So this is an actual language course, okay? So I'm gonna go with this offer here. And the cool thing is they actually give you a free trial. So you can see here, it says take a free trial and get lots of sample lessons, exclusive discounts, and more. So what we can do, guys, is we can create a lead magnet saying, hey, do you want a free trial on how to take a language course, okay? This is gonna be our lead magnet, okay? We don't have to spend hours creating like a checklist or a book. We can literally use what they have and give that as a lead magnet. Now, why do we want to do this? Instead of sending people straight to this page, we can create a page where we collect the email addresses and then we send them here, okay? So much better, because now we can go ahead and collect these email addresses and follow up to make more money. Now, this is what I would do to create that email list. Now guys, here's a graphic of what a bridge page is, okay? This is literally how I built my six-figure business, all right? So this is the sales page here, okay? This is what most people do. They send customers directly to this page, okay? They literally just send people directly here, okay? Now, you will still make money doing that, okay? But a lot of people that you send here are not gonna buy right away. So what we can do, so we can control the traffic, is we can add a bridge funnel, okay? So basically it's these two pages here, okay? So basically all we're doing is we're collecting an email address here, okay? And then with emails, we can go ahead and follow up with people, okay? Very, very simple. Now, how do we do this with this program here, right? All we're gonna do is we're gonna create a squeeze page right here, okay? And very, very simple, guys. We're gonna say something like, wanna learn Spanish, here's a free trial on how you can learn Spanish A to Z, right? Basically teaching them everything, okay? Now the goal here is just to have them enter their email address, and you can send them straight to the sales page, or you can have a bridge page where you're like, hey, this is what I took, or this is what I recommend, and then you can send them straight to the sales page after, okay? That's what I would do if I was promoting this course here, okay? Now, you don't absolutely have to have this. You can take that out if you don't wanna, get on video and create a bridge page. It does help, but you can literally just create a squeeze page and send them straight to the sales page, okay? The important thing here to understand is we're gonna be collecting these email addresses, okay? Which is literally the most important part of this whole process, because now they're in our email database, right? They're in our database of emails, and now I could promote literally all of these courses here, right? And I could even go and promote other courses, right? So I can, learn Chinese and look for Chinese courses or whatever it is, right? Here's another one here, Rocket Chinese. So guys, that's why I really like Rocket Languages, because they have tons and tons of different programs you can promote. But now you have an email list where you can make way more money. Now guys, obviously I don't have time to get into all the details on how to create the pages, the emails, the follow-ups, but I do have a 3-day business challenge where I'm gonna show you how to build out an email list, how to build out these simple 2-page funnels. I'm gonna show you step by step, click by click, how you can build this out for any niche, any affiliate product on the market. So if you guys wanna learn more, how you can do this, how you can build a 6-figure affiliate marketing business, click the first link down below, guys, and I have a challenge that's gonna show you exactly how you can get started with this method, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found value in this video. If you like this video, please like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day on how you can make a full-time passive income business with affiliate marketing. We'll see you guys on the next video, and God bless.